Welcome everyone. Let's get started with the comprehensive program review assessment tutorial on how to work with. First, we need to go to our website, Palm Beach State College, www.pbsc.edu. Go to the search bar in the right side, write IRE, press enter, scroll down, click on Institutional Research and Effectiveness, IRE, scroll down, go to Tools, click on Nuventive. Then you need to sign in with your college credentials. Launch Palm Beach State College. You will see here all the programs that you are assigned. So we are going to demonstrate with Trade and Industry Cosmetology. Go to the three lines in the left side. Click on the arrow that is pointing down, Program Review. Go to Comprehensive Program Review Part 1. And this part, it should be filled by the faculty lead or department chair that oversees that program. How to create a card? Go to the green plus sign here in the right side and add that card and fill all the lines that you will need to respond and the questions. I'm not going to respond that, so I'm going to close because I want to show you what we have here. If you already filled everything but need to review that one, go to the three dots and open, or double click on the card and then start reviewing or filling out everything. For now, if you are doing this for the very first time, you need to put this in progress. Then put your name, because you are the faculty that is completing this program review. Then write the pathway associate dean, the pathway dean, providing department. Then you need to say if your program is accredited or not. If not, put NA, not applicable, because we need to fill out every single line that is in this program review in order to have your 100% complete. Then you need to fill all the questions, number 1, and then continue filling out all the questions. Remember, if you don't have anything to say, NA, not applicable. If you want to upload something to demonstrate your program review, press the green plus button here, and it's the same instructions that we were doing with the first tutorial about outcomes, method, and results. Look for the folder, and then we are talking about program review. And then go here, add a file, go to your browser, click on the file that you want, click Save, and then here, click the document that you want to add, and then attach. Okay? If I say, oh, that is not the document that I want to attach, go to the document, press the X, which is saying delete, and that's it. And then continue filling out all the questions until the very end, which is the 12th, and then hit save, and then hit close. This is the first part of your program review. It's saying in progress, not yet, but if you want your dean and associate dean do the part 2, you need to come here, change that to ready for review, save again, hit the close. Now it's saying ready for review, and remember you need to have 100 complete. If this is not 100 complete, you are not ready to review. Go to the 3 lines again, go to the comprehensive program review part 2. This part needs to be done by the associate dean and the dean. The card, it will be created by the Office of Assessment. It will say here, AD needs to write here, and in this part it will say Dean needs to write here. To open that card, because we create that card for you, go to the ellipsis and go to open, or click here, double click, and it's open the card. And then the associate dean needs to fill out the recommendation, and then the dean needs to fill out the recommendation. Here the ARM, it has to be accepted. Then the years, don't change that because that is posted by us, the Office of Assessment, but you need to say that you complete that program review part 2. Save and then close. And you finish your program review comprehensive part 1 and part 2. Thank you.